Florida Governor Charlie Crist has ordered the state to stop enforcing a ban on adoption by gay and lesbian parents. A state appeals court has ruled the law unconstitutional because it singles out all homosexuals as unfit parents. Florida is the only state with a blanket ban on adoption by gays and lesbians. The case is likely headed to the state Supreme Court. Martin Gill and his partner, well, they brought this case so they could adopt, they wanted to adopt their 2 foster children that they have been parenting now for 5 years. Martin Gill joins me now from Miami. Thanks for joining us, sir.
Good morning, Don.
Good morning. They have 30 days. The Department of Children and Family Services has 30 days to decide on an appeal. Does this feel like a victory to you right now, or are you just sort of waiting to see what's going to happen next?
Absolutely. It's a huge victory. We're still kind of trying to determine exactly what it means. But basically, it's a huge step in the right direction. And after careful consultation with our lawyers today and yesterday, they have determined basically that within 15 days, any gay or lesbian can potentially adopt children in this state.
Mm-hmm. And he said, the governor said he wasn't going to stop it. So if they start the process, one wonders if they start the process within these 30 days, if that can be reversed. It was sort of the same situation when it came to Prop 8 out in California. Is that a concern for you?
Well, at this point, I can't say it's not a concern because this is Florida, and having fought this battle for 5 years, you know, you're never really that comfortable here, I think. But Governor Charlie Crist has reached out to us, and he says that he would like to have that discussion with us. And after careful consultation with our lawyers, we are going to ask him not to go for a further appeal. And according to our lawyers and even the state's lawyers, at that point, our decision will basically strike down the ban, and anybody in any district in Florida will be able to adopt.
How are your kids?
They're doing great. They're doing great.
Are they old enough? They're not old enough to really understand what's going on, right?
Well, parts of it they do, I think. I certainly tried to explain it to them when we were first going to court, when it first all became public. I was explaining to them that, you know, you're going to take on my last name, and you're going to be forever family, and no one can ever take you away. And, you know, they really never felt at all like they could be taken from our family, because we've always given them a lot of reassurance, and we've never really spoken to that effect. And certainly we've treated them just as we would treat our own biological child.
Yeah. And Martin Gill, those are the magic words, forever family. We want to thank you for joining us here on CNN, okay? Best of luck.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.